Hello. Today we're gonna make some green bean casserole in a crock pot. How, you ask? I show you. Alright, so we got 10 cans of green beans, 3 cans of cream of mushroom soup, a canister of crispy fried onion rings. We'll need some black pepper and some onion powder and half a cup of milk to go with it. So, for my slow cooker, I like using these. These are crock pot bags. So you line up your crock pot as so. There's a crock pot. Open this real quick. And then you line it with your crock pot. And then you don't have to use any cooking spray or anything to make it less messy. Then when that's empty, you should take it out and throw it back out, and voila. So I opened these 10 cans here, and now we're going to take these and pour them into the slow cooker over here. Gotta make sure you drain them. One. Two. That one didn't want to open all the way. And do this for all 10 cans. Right, so continue pouring these 10 cans in here. Seal the lids so that when the cats don't get hurt. Oh yeah, I missed a can. Starting to get full. We still got 4 cans. Maybe my crock pot's not big enough. Alright, so that's 10 cans of that open. And now the crock pot's pretty much full, but we're not done yet. We got more. There's more. Alright, so in our mixing bowl here, we gotta empty out these 3 cans of cream of mushroom soup. I'm using cream of mushroom soup with roasted garlic. So I'll dump these in. I popped the top, so my cats are going crazy now. Pop the top, and you know how cats are when they hear that. They kind of get excited. So next we're going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper and onion powder to it, as well as the milk. And we're going to whisk this all together real fast. Oh. Let's do this and not drop this, shall we? Alright, so I add this in there. Wasn't sure if that was going to fit or not. Alright, so that's our seasonings. Grab our milk and pour it into our soup. And then we're going to whisk this together like so that it's blended nice and evenly. Alright, so we mixed up our cream of mushroom root soup, our 1/8 a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 a teaspoon of black powder, and our 1/2 cup of milk. And then we're going to take this and pour this over the green beans. Get it in all the crevices in there. Mix this up so that way it's not all just on top, because, well, the bottom wants some too. Yeah, I find this a real quick, easy meal to make, especially if you're got the oven going and you're like, oh, I gotta make a green bean casserole, but I got no space going because I got the turkey in the oven, I got the stove going with stuffing and mashed potatoes and gravy. All my cats are trying to come over here to help. Alright, so we gotta scrape the bowl so that all of this is in there. Yum. So we got all that ooey gooiness all put in there, and we're missing one thing. Over here we got our canister of crispy fried onion rings that we're gonna pour in there. And then we're gonna mix that up so that it's nicely coated, mixed in. We're gonna do it gently so we don't break them all too, you know. Look at all that gooiness, oh man. It says it's about 24 carbs per serving. It's not too carby, but you know, I try to keep count of all carbs because my girlfriend's a type 1 diabetic, so we kind of need the information, which is why we like cooking. I like cooking at home because, and try to get this much gooiness and not pay top dollar for it.